The Standards Organization of Nigeria has advised professionals to focus on getting quality and standard materials for construction to put an end to the increasing cases of building collapse in Nigeria. The Director of Southwest Region of the organization gave the advice at a conference held in Ibadan. Olaide Oyewole reports.
The spate of building collapse in Nigeria has increased over the past few years, drawing concerns from government and other stakeholders. In the past 4 decades, statistics show that over 460 buildings have collapsed in Nigeria at an increasing rate yearly. Poor design, faulty construction procedures, and substandard building materials have been described by experts as part of the problems behind the building collapses.
Site of engineers, the structural engineers, they are all part of it to build quality into those products. So please, as much as possible, they should ensure they patronize products that are of quality, products that have the NIS mark, products that can stand the test of time, products that will be sure that lives will not be lost. Because you won't want to put up a project and then the building collapses or lives are lost. It's not a good thing.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you.
Stakeholders at the event were keen on the need for the government and relevant agencies to leverage on the growing real estate industry to curb the challenge of homelessness in the country.
All relevant stakeholders will come together and we can all find solutions because, the real estate sector has a lot of, sister sectors. You won't talk about real estate growth without considering the security. So the security agencies are also our critical stakeholder. The technology experts are also our critical stakeholder. You also will not talk about real estate growth without talking about the financial institutions. So this is an avenue for all these relevant stakeholders to all come together.
The long-run growth trajectory of this country is very long and full of potentials. People will live in houses, right? And housing is a critical driver for economic sustainability in so many ways. If you're not living comfortable, you can't think well, you can't reason well, you can't act well, and everything. So it's very critical for us to pay much attention to expanding the scope and the landscape for business, housing business.
In the third quarter of 2021, the sector expanded by 10% and contributed about 3.85% to the country's economy, despite the harsh economy and the rising cost of building materials. Olaide Oyewole, TVC News, Ibadan.